Hello guys, today we're working on my 2000 Expedition. Um, Recently I did the upper intake plenum, and today we did coil packs and spark plugs. The problem I was having was it had what I believe was called a soft dead miss, which means that it wasn't missing bad enough to actually throw a check engine light, but it was indeed misfiring. So I took it into my buddy's shop. I plugged it into their Ford computer they had, found out that cylinder 1 and 4 were misfiring. So what I did was I got 8 spark plugs, 2 coil packs, and then I got 6 coil boots and springs. It was actually pretty easy. It took me about an hour. Let's see, if I have any advice, it would be this guy right here, this plastic plate. You can unbolt it with there and there. You can get it out of the way so you can get back to numbers 4 and 3 easier. And then for number 7 down there, you probably can't see it. You need some people call it a wobbly. I looked it up. It's a flex head socket, so it's got the U-joint and it's a 7 mil. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't have that, you're probably going to have to take out the fuel rails because it is impossible to get to. So thank goodness I got some good advice on that. And fired it up. She's running and driving great. And yeah, so I hope this helps. Again, I was told that it was a soft dead miss. Soft meaning that it didn't register on the check engine light, but it was definitely missing. For example, what was happening was, it would drive just fine in the city. We go on the freeway, it would just start chugging on you. Or anytime you were going up a hill and you needed to give it a little gas, it would not start to shake, but you could feel it just like pounding, just chugging at you. I don't know how else to describe it other than it's uncomfortable and everybody in the car can feel it. So, hope this helps.